The other question I want to ask you is that, do you have capital? For some of us, we don't have the money that we need. So you need to know how to get free Bitcoin. And how do you get those Bitcoins? You need to know and understand that you need to get free Bitcoin. And number one is that you can get that through airdrops. So if you can see this, so one is you can, yes, PSFX, good. So you can get free crypto through airdrops. How do you do that? Let's practicalize that now. And I'll be able to show you how to get like some of the airdrops that you should be able to get to start that. So you can just go on Google. Right. I'm sharing my screen. I want to stop this. Okay, great. Please, if I can't see you, if I don't bring you up on stage, please, it's not my fault. Just take it easy. You can still hear this. And I want to do a practicality about how to get this, how to get a bit of like, let me just share my entire screen. I think this will help me. Let me just share my entire screen. Can you see this? You can see this, and this is how it looks like for everybody. So once you are on like Google, right? The basic thing that you can do to get altcoins, because as traders, you don't have capital, you need to find capital to trade. So you can just type airdrops. So you can type airdrops, just search on airdrops on Google. And once you search on airdrops, you are going to see a lot of like tons of airdrop websites that they are trading with. So if I click on this site, airdrops.io, I should be able to see latest airdrops. So for some of you who have time, that is how you can be able to get like some cryptocurrencies. So what they do is that they actually stake, collect points, and refer. This is refer. This one, they say run the Chrome extension, and we are able to get some cryptocurrencies out of that. So here's Sensational AI and points on Telegram. So they say that if you join Telegram with this, you can keep on earning points. So these are small activities. So let me click on this and let's see. So it just tells you what and how you can be able to earn and get some airdrops. So, but please make sure you always read here, and that before you can be able to do more in terms of that. PSFX, you sent me a WhatsApp. So that is how you can be able to get some airdrops. Just do Google searches, and you are able to what? Do more. So the second way you can get a cryptocurrency for free is staking. So staking simply means that some platforms reward you for keeping or holding their coins and locking your capital and holding their coins for maybe a month or a week or whatever for them to develop their capital. You can also just do that on Google to search for cryptocurrencies that are staking. Then we have crypto faucets. So these are platforms that will help you. They'll give you the opportunity to say, okay, you should be able to play, share videos, and get cryptocurrencies. So when you share videos, you play games, you can be able to get cryptocurrencies. So, and that is another way that you can use to get crypto, like crypto coins for free. The next way to get your cryptocurrencies are, let me share this. I just want all of us to be on the same page. It's one, you can do crypto competitions. Two, you can do referral programs. So refer, right, people to a certain exchange or a certain cryptocurrency, and you can do that. But last but not the least is that you can learn and earn. You can also learn and earn. And how do you learn and earn? You go to exchanges like Binance or Bybit, which I'll be sharing with you later. You be there and you learn, especially if you're a newbie, and you get to learn and you earn from that. You learn and you earn from that. So it's also another way that you can learn and make some impact with what trading and earning. So if you have questions, please do ask your questions. and I'll be able to what? Answer some of the questions for you. I'll be able to answer some of the questions for you.